Hi there guys, Sam here. Yeah, again, as the title suggests, I just wanted to do a quick update on the Golf R and what I mentioned before about the slight curving I got on my alloy wheel. So, funny enough, despite being what I think anyway, a bit of a car guy, like obviously my hot hatches, high patches, interested in everything cars really, I wasn't actually 100% sure that I had diamond cut wheels. And obviously, as it turns out, on the Cadiz wheels for Golf R, it is diamond cut. And I know from other people and just in general, it can be a little bit more tricky in terms of if you curb the wheel, it generally means you have to recut the whole alloy, and that's, first of all, can only be done 1 or 2 times because you're losing a layer of the alloy, and 2 is a little bit more expensive than, say, just a powder coating an alloy or just a normal alloy wheel, which most wheels are. Obviously the finish is really nice, it's a good thing, but it's only come to mind obviously because I've curved the wheel. It's a little bit expensive. I think I've tried one place and they sort of quoted me around to £126, and it's a 2-day job, and obviously the mark is quite small as well. I've shown it before, so it's just one thing to bear in mind. If you have a Golf R on the 18-inch Cadiz wheels, that's a cost you're gonna have to consider. Interestingly enough, I think, and again, people can correct me in the comments, the 19-inch Pretorias, I'm fairly confident they're not diamond cut. I think they're just normal alloy wheels. So again, maybe not so difficult if you were to unfortunately curb an alloy, which unfortunately does happen. I try to take pride in not damaging the wheels, but yeah, on this occasion caught out with the snow, maybe the excitement and the snow. But yeah, one thing to note really, and to be fair, I did every time I cleaned the wheels, I was always kind of like, oh, such a shiny kind of gloss kind of finish, and obviously it is quite sharp, some of the edges in the middle of it. Yeah, I probably should have realised it was diamond cut, which is quite cool actually to have. You know, yeah, they look good, but it's just one thing to be aware of. It will take, you know, as a full alloy to kind of change. You can only do it once or twice. Obviously the only true way to 100% get it to match is to get a new alloy in some ways, but I think, not that I've tried it, but if I was to get it replaced, which I'm not sure on in terms of actually getting the alloy refurbished and recut, well, how it would look and stuff like that, because the rest of the alloy is so fine. It's just this swirl in the middle. I'll put a picture that kind of annoys me in the light, particularly when going to my car at work under the lights. I'm kind of like, oh, such a shame, bit of a bummer. But yeah, one thing just wanted to mention about diamond cut wheels. I think other people have done videos on it as well. It's a cost that has to be considered. It's obviously a little bit, I mean, I've spoken to another friend who has his Audi TT, and he's sort of like, well, if you can only do it once or twice, you may as well just keep it on there for a little bit longer, and then once you probably curved it a little bit more, then do it once it's worth it, or potentially as well before resale as well. If you're, you know, if I was going to sell the car, quickly do it, make it look as nice as it's going to look. So I don't think I will now actually, but I've got some good information off a place in St Albans actually, just around it and how it works. And there's also, you can actually powder coat the alloy wheel as well to protect it. It's another option, but then obviously the colour and the shine and stuff is going to be completely different, so probably not the one to go for. But yeah, other than that, that was pretty much all I wanted to talk about, was just a little bit around the wheel. Bit of a shame really, and yeah, something to bear in mind for people who have the 18-inch wheel, that they are diamond cut, and there are some disadvantages to that. I think the advantages are they do look great, to be honest, but yeah, it's a bit of something that I didn't really think about, to be honest. But yeah, just one thing. Anyway, the light's fading anyway. I've just finished work. Yeah, I just wanted to get that in there and just again ask for your comments, how you kind of deal with that. If you've got a Golf R, if you've got the 18-inch wheel, if you've had the same issue, what your kind of opinions on it all are. Again, if you've got the 19-inch on the Pretorias, what's your opinion on those? Other than that, car's going really great, really enjoying it. Yeah, putting a massive smile on my face. But yeah, thanks for watching my videos, thanks for likes, thanks for the subscriptions. Yeah, you know, please subscribe for more comments and give it a like if you've enjoyed the video. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you again next time. But yeah, cheers guys.